Alright, here I have my dirty twin air filter that I took out of my bike, and I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it on the cheap. So what you're gonna need is a bucket, some cheap store-bought liquid detergent. This one costs a couple of RMB or less than a US dollar, and I like to wear gloves so that I don't get all the oil and stuff on my hands and under my fingernails. Okay, and of course you're gonna need a source of hot water. Take the dirty filter out of the bag. I keep it in the bag so I don't get anything else dirty. Okay, here's the dirty filter. Put that in there. Grab my shower. The water is nice and warm. So you can see, it's nothing fancy. I'm gonna fill the water just high enough to cover the filter so it can soak. You will see how dirty this water is gonna be after we're done cleaning the filter, and how clean the filter will be. That's enough water. Put that on that filter. You can be very generous with it. That's why we get the cheapest kind. Okay. And now we massage our filter. Now remember that when you wash your filter, you only want to squeeze it. Squeeze it. Yeah. Don't twist it, because if you twist it, you can rip the filter fabric. So we massage our detergent into this filter, and you can actually see it's already starting to get clean. Huh? There's oil in the filter, and all the dirt is stuck to the oil. That's the idea, right? That's why you oil your filter. And our detergent is a grease removing agent, right? Because we use it to wash our dishes and our frying pans and all that greasy kitchen stuff. And this is no different. All we want to do is dissolve that oil and get the filter nice and clean. And look, see? It's already getting back its natural color. So, alright, look at that. Oh, as you see, oh yeah, squirting everywhere. So I'm just gonna leave it in there to soak it for about maybe 10 minutes, and then we're gonna rinse it, rinse out all of the detergent, and then we'll let the filter dry. And after it's dry, we oil it up and put it back in the bike, good as new. Okay, so the filter has been soaking for about 10 minutes now. Just gonna take it out, squeeze all this detergent out. I will rinse this. First, I'm gonna get rid of the dirty water. See that? That's not too bad. I've had my filter way dirtier than this, and the water just comes out black. See that? All this stuff was on the filter. Okay. get rid of all of that detergent that's in the filter. I'm using hot water. And as you guys know, in China, hot water is good for healthy, and it's good for your filter's health. Look at that. Look. Look. There we go. Just squeeze all the water out so it can dry quicker. Remember, once again, only squeeze. Don't twist. Here we go. That's how you clean your air filter, with water and detergent. Thanks for watching.